Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about growing your library. And people go, growing your library? Okay, I'll use another term. Increasing the number of books in your library. All right. So your libraries contain books, which contain information, and information is power. So you want to have that power to help you survive in any type of emergencies, disasters, SHTF, Tawaki, whatever it is. You want to have that information to help you get along. Oh, and you may just need it for everyday use too, like a book on plumbing. If something happens to your plumbing, it could just be something happens, you need to know how to take care of it, or replacing an electrical light switch, or replacing lights up in the ceiling. There are books out there on that, and you may want to add those to your library so you have that information available to you. Now, I'm going to say something controversial here to some people. If you have a hard copy book, try to get a soft copy of it too. And I know people are going to say, well, if something happens and the power's out, you're not going to be able to access it. If you can't access it, then you're not following directions and getting prepared properly. I've talked many times about how you can store soft copies of books on computers, on external drives, and where you can still access them even after an EMP. All right. So if you weren't worried about that, go check some of my playlists on it for that'll have that information in it. So increase your library with information. Everything from coloring books for the kids to encyclopedias to dictionaries so you spell things properly and you can teach the kids how to spell things properly. School books, music books, cooking books, books on dehydrating, freeze drying, butchering animals, books on everything, books on how to repair stuff. Add to your library. Okay? So, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, books, and more books, and more books. Also, add a new skill to your repertoire and grow stuff indoors. We're going to be doing an indoor garden challenge in 2025. Now's the time to practice growing stuff indoors so you're ready to enter and possibly win that indoor garden challenge. But definitely, even if you're not going to enter the challenge, grow stuff indoors.